All
Business
right.
fundamentals, soft skills.
Alrighty.
Google and a little, yeah, perfect.
In this section of the class, I'm going to talk you through the business fundamentals and show you how it is to be a profitable photographer. I want to set you up for success and enable you to have the confidence to price, quote, estimate, and be creative in business. Topics include things like diversifying your revenue stream, licensing and when usage comes into effect for the commercial jobs you're doing, scheduling your work week as a photographer for profit and to maximize productivity, setting up your business, invoicing, and tax and money management. I also want to help you see your worth as a photographer and know that you have value in what you do. Let's dive into this section as we've got a lot of topics to cover, and I want to help you on your journey to landing that next dream job.